a student faced and I as a student have an opinion upon. 10 things that I think are not of use in BPT but are still being followed, and let me know your thoughts on it. If you find me wrong here, please correct me. When I entered into BPT, I thought that ये चीज़ों का कुछ ना कुछ तो काम आता ही होगा, but 4th year में I actually found out that अच्छा है ज़रूरी बट नॉट अप टू दैट लेवल. उसके कंपैरिजन में बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऐसी है जो एक्चुअली एड ऑन हो सकती थी बट it's not. So let's begin थोड़ा जल्दी से. So excessive theory in the first year, as first year में anatomy physiology is very important, but apart from that there are certain subjects which are also very theoretical, जैसे कि physics आ जाता है and everything, but physics में वो चीज़ें तो हमें पढ़ाई नहीं जाती है, एक्चुअली में हमें क्लिनिकल सेटअप्स में देखने को मिलती है. सो जैसे हम गैल्वेनिक फेरेटिक करंट्स पढ़ते हैं, हमारे करिकुलम में वो हमें नहीं पढ़ाया जाता है इन फिजिक्स, बल्कि फिजिक्स में ओम्स लॉ एंड एवरीथिंग. सो what I think is that is not important. We are not going to apply Ohm's law in our clinical practice. The other one is too much mugging of the biomechanics formula and the physics formula. See guys, it's important. पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू क्या है कि इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर द मैथ्स वाले बच्चे. हमें फॉर्मूलाज का काम नहीं आने वाला है. ओके, वी आर लर्निंग इट फॉर द एग्जाम पर्पजेज. इफ वी आर देयर, हम लोग अगर फॉर्मूला कैलकुलेट कर रहे हैं रिसर्च बेसिस में काम आता है, आई नो, बिकॉज इट्स नेवर गोइंग टू शो अप इन आवर क्लिनिकल प्रैक्टिस. सो व्हाट्स द importance and correlates of that. There are certain orifices and appliances जैसे इलेक्ट्रोथेरेपी में वगैरह, जो appliances एक्चुअली में हम क्लिनिकल सेटिंग्स में देखते भी नहीं है, हम प्रैक्टिस भी नहीं करते, एंड बहुत सारे appliances तो आउटडेटेड है, वो एक्चुअली में अभी तक यूज भी नहीं होते. Then too we are studying in our curriculum. I don't know why, but it's still there and still present in our curriculum. There are certain non-clinical subjects such as psychology, sociology, जो actually में हम 10 pages के आंसर लिखते हैं. We do study the whole books for it, and actually में apply 1 या 2% ही होता है. Why is it that I don't know? Still awareness is spreading and that, but it's actually non-clinical and apply होता ही नहीं है. So we should start applying, because अगर apply करना start कर दिया, it actually works and it will work. Over detailed pathology and microbiology, like certain microorganisms की life cycle पढ़ाई जाती है. Okay, that is important, but what we need to focus upon is उसका red flags क्या है, what are the signs and symptoms that it is producing. That is on the important side, not the life cycle. Unnecessary viva questions like this is very funny guys. Define Ohm's law. So I'm just going to treat the patient. I'm not going to operate the machine or do something like that. So what is the correlance of that? Okay, so this is what I'm facing right now also, as I'm final year student, and extra long soap format wala questions. So it is for 15 marks guys, and soap format answer is for like 15 to 20 pages, so you have to feel essay hi. So that is the assessment format, but in real life you actually assess the patient in like 5 minutes when they come to you. So funny, right? Repetition of the certain practicals again and again, like if certain thing has been performed on second year na, 4th year में भी they'll ask the same thing. Like MMT अगर हो गया है second year में, goniometry हो गया है second year में, that's a part of your whole life. वो लोग आपको कभी भी पूछ सकते हैं, and that is also going to help you, so no questions into that, but they can ask you anytime. And any excessive paperwork during postings and not actually treating patients, like guys, this is not present in my particular college, but I have seen other colleges do it and I have seen other students doing it. मतलब like I feel very very bad for them, because what happens is कि patient को treat कर रहे हो, okay, वो खत्म हुआ, आप लेके आओ, यू हैव टू फील द फाइल्स, यू हैव टू राइट दैट ओके ये हुआ. आप फाइलिंग भी साथ में करो, फाइलिंग तो कंपलसरी है ही. पेशेंट ट्रीट करो, ओके, फाइलिंग करो, यू हैव टू डू इट साइमल्टेनियसली. लाइक व्हाई? What are your thoughts on it? Please get back to me and let me know कि अगर आपके कॉलेजेस में भी ये चीज़ फॉलो होती है या नहीं. I know कि हर जगह पे डिफरेंट चीज़ें होती है and everything is followed differently. So let me know that how it goes on your side. Until then, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Okay, bye.